Kumshibinta banrakhi kajingdap shis pasnem jang kajingwan missionary shakani kathan lam mi ngi jangi kaseng Salesian hapo kajingelam jang ka SYM haka arpo tarik unailar arjar arpo kelapinya ya ke inter school final quiz competition balapelong ha St. Anthony's High Secondary School Hall kinong shimbinta hakani kasngi ki kentup ya ki khat artli ki school bat ki college Hashwaban sedang ke program, Father E.L. Jos, ilapdiang sngongo ya barok kinong ishimenta syakani ke quiz competition. Hakani kesngi lawan jengok kai bat I siem di ki kat tu kat ningut ki parlok para jor jang kini kinong ishimenta. Kat duk kat wai, day ke Pastoral Center ke bala Khur kum ke nam Lahduh hakani ke quiz competition da shis paasan points, bot pat saka St. Anthony's College da kendai po points, but ikan nam balai la yora da ke Secret Heart Boys da prapo points.
This quiz competition is part of the Centenary celebration, one of the activity that the SYM have taken. After this quiz, the winners, I think two teams will be representing Shillong. One team will be representing Shillong province, which will be held, the final will be held in the month of October here. We have the delegates from different provinces. Lahduh comprises of Manipur, Nagaland. Then Guwahati comprises of Assam. Then Shillong comprises of Tripura, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Upper Assam. So there will be around 1,500 delegates staying here from 27, 28, 29, 30th. So the winners from this part also automatically they'll be part of the delegates to come and take part. And with the rest, they'll be sending from different schools to participate as delegates. So during that time, there will be also quiz competition final. There will be also the tournament basketball, football final. There will also be the choir final. So all these delegates will be coming here, not only participating in the different activities, but also attending some very interactive and lively sessions with the Director Major and other resources persons.
Pass Don Bosco born. 16th of August, 1815.
Here we have the answer. That's correct. The first Salesian missionaries were sent.
Argentina and South America.
Can we have the answer? Yes, that's correct. 6. What are the three pillars on which the preventive system of education is based?
The three pillars are reason, religion, loving kindness.
Can we have the answer? The three pillars are reason, religion, and loving kindness. Correct. Who inculcate fear of God amongst the young?
He motivated the young to love virtue and created a horror for vice. He did this by teaching religion and by giving appropriate moral instructions.
Can we have the answer? Yes. The Bosco motivated the young to love virtue. He created a horror for vice. He did this by teaching religion and by giving appropriate moral instructions. That will carry 10 points.
Second place, St. Anthony's College with 90 points. And first place, Pastoral Center with 105 points.
And the winners of today's quiz competition from Pastoral Center enjoyed Iaka and Sylvester Shillong.